Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, I'll show you how to exactly withdraw money from Cash App stock in 2025. Whether you sold some share or you're ready to cash out your gains, I'll make it simple and fast. Let's get started. First, open your Cash App and tap on the invoicing icon. That's the squiggly line at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap on stocks and scroll down to the stocks you want to cash out. Tap it, then hit sell button. Now, you will choose how much of stock you want to sell. You can pick a custom amount or sell all your shares. Once confirmed, the process from the sale will appear in your Cash App balance. Keep in mind, it can take up to 2 business days for the trade to fully settle and become available to withdraw. After the funds are in your balance, go back to the Cash App home screen and tap the bank icon, and then tap Cash Out. Enter the amount you want to transfer from to your bank, choose your speed, standard fee or instant small fee, and confirm. And that's it. Your stock money is now its own way to your bank. If this walkthrough made things easier, go ahead and smash the like button, drop any questions below, and subscribe so you don't miss any financial tips and app tutorials. Catch you in the next one.